Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my last video I told you guys that if I could get enough comments that I should create this video on how I made $180 plus on an airdrop, that I was going to make the video. So here is the video right now. So thanks for commenting on the last video, and now um, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how I was able to make that $180 plus. So just stick with me to the end of the video and subscribe for more money making videos. Alright, so now let's get started. Alright guys, so again in this video I would like you to suggest the video I should make in my next one. On section A you have an airdrop. I just discovered this airdrop also, but I've not yet done it, so I don't know how it's going to be. So if you want me to do the airdrop, just comment video A in the comment section. And if you want me to do the application review where I was paid $1, that one I've tried it and it was free, so where I was paid $1, so comment video B in the comment section. So just comment whichever video you want me to make in the next video in the comment section, and like the video. So you must subscribe so you can see whichever one I make in the next video. So let me just comment. Video A might be, you might be required to pay some cents to claim the airdrop. I'm not sure, I've not done it yet. But video B is completely free. I've done that before. So whichever video you want me to make in my next video, just comment video A or video B in the comment section so I'll know which one to post. All right, so without wasting much of your time, now let's get to the video of the day. All right, so if you come here now, let me just quickly show you some proof. So this is, let me just go to my screenshots. This is the first round. I actually exchanged some of them before to cash, but I didn't make a video on that. So let me try to see if I can get the screenshots from here. I don't think I have it here. Okay, I still have it here. All right, this is it. So this is the one I exchanged about 3 weeks ago. As you can see, this is wave airdrop. This was 19.2 million, and I accumulated 19.2 million of it, which was worth $107. So now let me go to my trust wallet to show you guys how much I presently have there again. And basically guys, I'm not doing anything again. I've stopped putting in effort for the airdrop, but each day I just keep mining more coins, more of the coins. Like I just keep seeing different, more of the coins in my wallet. As you can see, I exchanged everything before, and now if I go back to my wallet, I already have 15.8 million again. So now let's check how much this is on PancakeSwap to show you guys that this airdrop is actually legit. But actually it's not free. You need about, the airdrop is actually a bit expensive, more expensive than others to get, because it's around 1 point something dollars to claim the airdrop. So that's why. But I think it's worth. So you have to put in a lot of work if you want to be able to earn this kind of money. And be let me just show you how much it is. So all right, so as you can see now, this one again now is worth $84 in my. So let me just go ahead and swap it so you guys can see that it's 100% real. So let's swap it. All right, so all right, pay the transaction fees. So let's just wait for it to swap. All right, so transaction submitted. So to prove to you guys there's actually a real airdrop, I swapped everything now. Let's hope I can make some more by tomorrow. So let's refresh this. Zero wave, as you've seen. Let's wait for this to load. All right, so as you can see, it has been swapped already. You already have 110 US dollars in the wallet. So now let's get to how you can actually claim it. So I'll be dropping all the links. The link to the airdrop and everything is on my Telegram channel. You can check it out and also subscribe to that. So before we get started on how you can claim it, this is just a disclaimer. Anything I show here is not a guarantee that you earn that same amount. It depends on the work you put in. This is not a financial advice. Go ahead to contact your financial advisor before taking any financial decisions, because as we all know, it's an airdrop and most airdrops don't usually go far, but this one has gone far for me. But just make sure you contact your financial advisor before making any financial decisions. All right, now so let's get straight to it. So I'll drop the link in the Telegram channel so you can check it there. I'll be putting the Telegram channel link in the description box. Let me check if I can still see the link to the airdrop. All right, so let's go now. All right, this is it, Wave Cash airdrop. So let me just quickly go back. I'm going to be claiming it with a brand new wallet so you guys can see. Sorry for the delay, but I have to quickly send some smart in BNB, like for the transaction fee. All right, so it's pending transaction. So now I'll be explaining to you step by step how I was able to. This video is going to be a bit long, but I'm going to explain everything about the airdrop, like how I was able to make it. Because now that I've shown you proof that the airdrop is real, the only thing you need to do now is to watch the video to the end and understand exactly how I was able to make this kind of money. So as you can see, this is, I just exchanged it. It's already, I exchanged it I think it's $4 right now. So this is, as you guys also saw. So I think it has gone through now. So let's go back to our second wallet. So all right, so it's already there. So now I'll draw. The links are in the Telegram channel, so you can check that out. So all right, this is it. After I click the link, I think it should appear in Ethereum logo here. So you just, okay, connect the app. That one is normal. So you just click this place, then you click on Smart Chain. So once you click on Smart Chain, it should help. That's the it's on Smart Chain network, not on Ethereum logo, on Ethereum network. So you just click on Get AirDrop. Alright, so as you can see, we don't even have enough coins to claim. We don't have enough, let me say, BNB in my wallet to claim this. That's why I said the airdrop is expensive. Only do this if you are sure you'll be able to put in the work, and contact your financial advisor before doing anything. So I've already done this before, so maybe I shouldn't even bother claiming it again. So let's go back. Let me just teach you how I was able to make this stuff. So let me go back to my coin wallet one. Mostly coin wallet one. So all right, here guys, if you can see very clearly, um let's go to the wave cash airdrop so you guys can see. So after you've claimed the airdrop and paid the transaction fees, you can contact your financial advisor for that. After you've done all that, it will cost you about maybe $1.5, $1.6. You can do it if you're interested in it. So after you've done that, now the next thing you need to do is, you see this place of upgrade. You need to invite your friends. You can just, and I'll be teaching you exactly how I was able to invite a lot of people that I got. As you can see, I've made over 38 million, almost 39 million with cash. That's over almost $200. So as you can see now, what you just need to do is to refer people. Go to Telegram groups. Let me be showing you some of them. So you can just go to various Facebook groups and join multiple Facebook groups. Let me quickly show you. All right, so let's go here. No, not now. All right, so as you can see here, almost everything here about crypto. I've joined so many airdrop groups that you need to join as many airdrop groups as you can. So all right, let's just free airdrop tokens. You can just start that on Facebook. So you see a lot of groups with thousands of members, thousands upon thousands of members. So that's where you can just create a good write-up for the, for the airdrop. Then you can post it on as many groups, both on Facebook and Telegram. As you can see, these are different airdrops. On Facebook and Telegram, you can just post it there. There are thousands of people on Telegram also. That's also a good source. In short, just share the airdrop to as many places, social media platforms as you can. So once you do that, now let me just tell you the interesting part. I know most of you are already skeptical about referring people. Let me just tell you the interesting part. I wasn't earning much until, like, I upgraded. As you can see, I upgrade here, level 1. It was formerly in 50,000, so I upgraded. So what happens is that when you upgrade, if you refer person A, now you get a commission. You get 100% of their claim, so you get double of what you earned with your own airdrop. So you get that. Then if you've upgraded to level 1, when your person A also refers another person B, you also earn another 50,000 from that person B. So you'll be earning from both of them. So as much as you're upgrading, you'll be earning from different levels of referrals. That's how I was able to make this kind of money on it. So basically, I just referred. I think I struggled a lot to refer, maybe around 50 something, or just a small number of people. So most of the things that you see here, they are not even from my referrals. They are from my referrals, and then I've done, because as you can see, as I'm getting the commissions from referrals, I get 50,000 wave coin from referrals. So as I get that from referrals, I use it to upgrade. So I just upgraded to, I think, this is level 2. I don't know, it's displaying level 1. So when you upgrade to level 2, once your referrals keep referring people, you also be getting paid for that. You're getting 50,000. As you can see, the airdrop will end soon. It's just 10% left. So, and the total supply is 6 billion, about 6 billion wave tokens. All right, so that's how I was able to end the coins. To be very honest with you, I'm not trying to do anything maybe skeptical. So if you can refer, or if you can, even if you can't refer, just go to Facebook. After you've claimed the tokens, go to Facebook, then start advertising the airdrop. Also refer, and make sure you put your own link there. Don't you forget that. Put your link there so people can click on your link. So I think we've gone over everything you need to do. So once you've upgraded to different levels, just wait. You just start seeing multiple wave coins coming into your wallet. That's how I've been doing it, and I haven't been referring anybody. If you check on my channel, you see that there's no video on waves airdrop there. So almost 100% of what I did is just on Facebook and Telegram. So you can join as many channels as you want. So if you want to claim the airdrop with the about $1.5 or whatever, you are free to do so. And if you are not sure about it, you can just contact your financial advisor and think about it. So that's because I am only doing this video because I promised you in my last video that I'll do this. Honestly, I don't even want to do it because of the large transaction fees included when trying to claim the airdrop. So that's what most people that's what scares most people. I didn't want to do the video, but because most people are requesting for it, that's why I did this video. So if you like this video, thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button if you want more of the videos. Then comment in the comment section whichever video you want me to post in my next one. As you've seen before in the beginning of the video. If you want any one of them, just comment in the comment section and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next